Hi, I have a short video for you here that I wanted to talk about some of the assignments and some changes to the curriculum from the last time you viewed it. So I'll kind of jump right into that. The biggest change is the way you access your assignments. So last semester you were able to go down and click the link where it says read module 1. You won't be able to do that from now on. You'll always have to go here to click here to view the course content. And it's under the course content module. Um, so they have changed the formatting of that. So once you do that, it should open up in a new window once you click that button there, and then you'll be able to access the content, and it's broken down into section by section. And one of the things that you'll notice is that you do have quizzes at the end of each chapter, but you don't have the overall exam like you're used to. So those will be done in groups. So that's changed quite a bit. The other thing that I was going to mention about your exams, so if I go down to one of your packet tracers, for example, okay, it does look a little bit different. So your packet tracer, you'll have the PDF here, and then this is the actual packet tracer. Again, make sure that if you don't have the latest version of packet tracer, that you do upgrade to that, and make sure you also delete the previous version because they don't play well together. So when you download the PDF file, one thing that I would suggest doing is downloading the PDF, opening Word, and then opening the PDF within Word. Okay, so don't just open the PDF, but open Word first and then open the PDF. Word will convert that so that you can type in it and save your answers. Because just as a reminder for your packet tracers, I'll need both the packet tracer file and the file with the answers in it, so the instruction file. So that'll be two files for your packet tracer. Now for your labs, we're going to be using the Stanley Labs. I'm going to go back to your modules here. So the assignments that say lab, that's actually NetLab. Okay, so you have two of those this time around, the 117 and 162. You're going to be using NetLab for that. To log in, here's your login instructions here. Shows you how to use the link here to go into the NetLab server at Stanley. Your password is password01 with a capital P. So your username is going to be the part that's before the @ symbol in your email. So for example, mine is scallen290. So that's what you're going to use to log in to Stanley. If you're completing a NetLab assignment, I can see your transcript, I can see everything you type within NetLab, so you don't have to submit an assignment in NetLab, you just have to complete it, and then I can view your transcript. I can also view that later, so if you're having difficulty with it and you're working on it at, say, midnight, and you submit it and send me an email that you were having issues, I can go back and look at the transcript later and kind of see where you were having the issues. Also, if I happen to be logged in at the same time as you, I can see every keystroke that you're typing, and I might be able to help you that way. So when you get done with your NetLab, you don't have to submit anything within NetLab because I can see that. The only thing you'll need to submit is the instruction file. So you'll do the same thing where you'll download that in a PDF format, open in Word so you can type in it. So that's how you'll submit your assignments within Cisco Academy this time. You have quite a few assignments for this week already. And you'll notice I changed the due date to next Wednesday, and that's because everybody's kind of getting started. A couple of people had to start the class late for various reasons, so I pushed the date to next Wednesday. So just make note that it will normally be due every Monday after that. So this is just to give you a little bit longer when you're getting started, getting in logged into everything for this week. But after that, it'll be every Monday night at midnight. And I wanted to also open the opportunity to those of you that would like to be able to come in and, or not actually come in the classroom, but join our discussion each week that I have for the other section that is hybrid. Okay, so the other section would normally be meeting in the classroom, but due to COVID, we'll be meeting online Wednesdays at 10 o'clock. So you're welcome to join in on that. If you would like to do that, let me know and I'll be glad to send the link, or I may post it anyway so that you can join that. It's a WebEx and you can hear me kind of talk about whatever we're covering for the week, and that'll help you kind of stay on track. I'll start off with recording everything that I'm talking about, and then when I get done kind of disseminating all the information, what I'll actually do is just turn the recorder off and allow everybody to be able to kind of freely ask questions without having to worry about it being recorded. So that's kind of the plan for now, and we'll adjust as needed. This will be the first time that I've taught this new curriculum because it was just developed over the summer. Also, this is the first time that I've taught this portion of the class online, so we'll see how that goes. We'll all adapt as needed. If you have any questions, let me know.